are DTA Consulting, and today we invite you to reimagine Hang Nadim not just a regional gateway, but as Indonesia future-ready aviation hub for 2045. ASEAN aviation is rebounding strongly, and Indonesia is the largest market is at the center of this growth. Hang Nadim Airport, its long runway and strategic location is poised to become a key regional hub. But growth brings challenge. The current terminal only handles 5 to 6 million passengers per year, for below the project demand. Expansion is complex, involving multi-level governance, coordination, engineering redesign of a massive 1,600-meter apron, and the need to balance profitability with service quality and community impact. This leads us to critical set of questions. How can Hang Nadim expand capacity by 30% with 5 years while staying under budget? Cut turnaround times by 20% to stay competitive and reduce emissions and noise by 2030 to meet sustainability targets. Our issue 3 show 3K challenge, limited capacity and complex financing, slow operation and weak tech adoptions, and sustainability gaps with high emissions and low green investment. This root cause prove Hang Nadim needs more than expansions. It needs smarter, greener, and bankable solutions. Externally, Hang Nadim stands at a crossroads. ASEAN skies are open and passenger traffic is surging, but rivalry from Changi and KLEA is fierce. Internally, the airport has solid fundamentals runway, terminal, and strong triple P consortiums, but face capacity bottlenecks and regulatory complexity. By aligning its strengths with these opportunities while using digitalization and fast expansion to tackle risk, Hang Nadim can transform into a future-ready hub.
By 2025, Hang Nadim has proven that PPP's work Terminal 2 is ahead of schedule. Passenger services are improving, and Batam is emerging as a cargo hub. But to truly align with Indonesia Emas 2045, we need more than expansion. We need a governance model that balances profit and service quality, mitigates risk, and ensures long-term resilience. That's why our solutions are designed to turn Hang Nadim into a scalable, replicable model for a world-class airport modernization. Today, Hang Nadim often loses precious minutes because planes stay too long on the runway and gates are limited. By redesigning the airside, adding rapid exit taxiways, and expanding the airport, we unlock faster aircraft turnaround. This means cutting delays, increasing flights per hour, and boosting on-time performance above 85%. In short, we turn congestion into capacity. As traffic grows, passenger experience will define Hang Nadim's global competitiveness. By introducing RFID baggage tracking, travelers can follow their bags in real time, cutting mishandling by half. AI-powered queue management predicts congestion and shortens wait, while self-service kiosks and swing gates make check-in twice as fast. Finally, with ICDM, airlines, ground crews, and ATC satellite data, boosting punctuality by up to 7%. Together, these upgrades reduce turnaround time by 20%, delivering smoother journeys and world-class reliability. At Hang Nadim, we know growth must be bankable and sustainable. That's why our PPP model ties operator payments directly to performance, on-time flights, safe baggage, lower emission, while IIGF guarantee protect investors from policy risk. At the same time, we are cutting carbon with gate electrification, electric ground equipment, and smart HVAC systems, turning efficiency into comfort for passengers. Together, these strategies ensure Hang Nadim is not just financially secure, but also green, world-class hub for the future.
To future-proof Hang Nadim, we propose 3K enablers. First, a digital twin that integrates all airport systems, reducing downtime by up to 40% and lowering operating costs by 15%. Second, solar power with a resilient microgrid generating up to 40 megawatt peak of clean energy while cutting electricity costs by 20 until 30%. And third, noise and community management using smarter landing approach, low noise aircraft incentive, and transparent monitoring to reduce noise by 15% and complaints by 30% by 2030. With this solution, Hang Nadim evolved into not only a large hub, but also a smarter, greener, and community-friendly airport. Our roadmap for Hang Nadim spans from 2026 to 2040, moving from quick wins to a future-ready hub. In the early phase, we focus on rapid exit taxiway, RFID-based pilots, and partial gate electrification to quickly improve efficiency. By 2029 to 2032, we scale up with a full RFID deployment, a digital twin, and 100% gate electrification while expanding solar power and cargo operation. Finally, from 2033 to 2040, Hang Nadim transformed into a world-class hub with a fully digitalized airport, complete cargo and MRO facilities, and over 40% reduction in carbon dioxide per passenger. This phased approach ensures capacity growth, operational excellence, and sustainability while managing risks along the way. With an investment of $1.28 billion, the Hang Nadim Triple P will pay back within a decade and deliver over $215 million in net annual benefit by 2040. This project directly supports Indonesia's 2045 vision, creating world-class connectivity, a strong logistic hub, and inclusive growth. By combining capacity expansion, digital and green transformation, and community safeguards, Hang Nadim becomes not just an airport, but a model of profitable and sustainable infrastructure, a blueprint that is bankable, transformation, replicable, and truly future-ready for Indonesia.